What if your commute was one of the best parts of your day? What if you could also save time and money? Wouldn't it be great if you could do all that with a bike you already know and love? Make your commute a time of joy, because sometimes all you need is a little electric push. Meet the unlimited eBike system. As simple and easy as riding a bike, only funner. Designed to give you superpowers at an incredibly affordable price and fits on almost any bike in minutes. Go farther and go faster than ever before. Arrive at your destination without breaking a sweat. Make more deliveries in less time. Or get some help carrying that special cargo.
Hi, we're the Unlimited team, and we want you to get out.
We mean outside. We're here to make commuting more fun, more accessible, and more environmentally friendly than ever.
A few years ago, we crowdfunded our first product, the Unlimited Electric Skateboard Kit. We then partnered with the best longboard brand in the world, Loaded Boards, and we've delivered to thousands of people around the world who are now riding our kits and surprising us every day with the awesome boards that they build. We have learned a ton since our first project, and we've built a dream team to bring you our new e-bike system. We are leveraging the technology and supply chain that we developed to electrify our skateboarding customers for over 2 years. But now we need your support. So choose the e-bike conversion kit that you like the most, or get our city-crushing complete e-bike and help us get it to production.
The Unlimited e-bike powertrain is a transformative system that adds tons of capability without complexity. We've rethought and integrated every single component to make it as light and efficient as possible, while providing power to tackle any hill and give you a range of 50 miles. To complete the package, a super lightweight motor makes this the lightest, most compact and efficient electric bike system in the world. We've designed a minimalist system, so you can focus on what's really important. Just spin the pedal backwards to switch riding modes. The optional screen keeps your bike discreet while providing you with all the info you need. Installation is a breeze with no messy wires. Just swap out your front wheel, install our patent-pending wireless pedal sensor, snap in your battery, and you're good to go. So leave your car at home and join the revolution. You end up finding excuses to commute even further.
We're more than excited to bring you the Unlimited e-bike. We can't wait to see what kind of rides you'll build with it.